Hi, it's Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today we're working on some heart cookies that can fill out any Valentine's Day set or be perfect just on their own. So start by outlining and flooding in the heart-shaped cookie. I'm using an icing here that's a little bit too stiff. It's probably more of a 20-second to 25-second icing, and I had to do a lot of work to get it to settle down. So now I've switched to my light pink icing, and that's more of a 12-second icing, and it smooths out really fast. And then here I have my red icing that's also a little bit on the thicker side, and I'm going to have to work with it to settle it down. It would probably be better if I was going to do a lot of cookies if I got up and thinned out my red and purple icing. And now I'm taking some white gel food color and I am splatter painting it, which just adds a nice touch to the hearts. You can also just leave them as a solid color. And here are our finished heart cookies. They're perfect just on their own, or you can add them to other sets like these. I'm thinking about offering a full-length class on these, so sign up for my mailing list. The details are in the description, and you will be the first to know about freebies and any classes I have coming up. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. I have new tutorials every week. Bye for now.